Now question is, it is well known fact that during a total solar eclipse, the disk of the moon almost completely covers the disk of the sun. From this fact and from the information you can gather from examples 2.3 and 2.4, determine the approximate diameter of the moon. See here, this is our earth, right? This is our earth surface. This is sun. So we are observing sun different. So we are observing sun different diametrical points from earth, one place, one position. Now there is a eclipse situation. So this is sun, right? And this is our moon. So moon completely covers the sun here, right? So this is the moon and this is the earth. Now see, here we can draw one diametrical point here, right? Here also diametrical point will be there. Now I can draw one bisector which is perpendicular. Now you can see that always we are having radius of sun, right? Sun to earth distance, right? Now I am giving all the points one name, A, B, C, D, E and F, right? Now the question is approximate diameter of the moon. So we have to find diameter, but before that we have to find radius, means DE or EF, right? So DE or DF, DE is the radius. Now how can we get DE? So basically here two triangles, two similar triangles. Why? Because angles are same always here, both triangles. Which triangles? Now I am writing that name, right? So A, here DEF and G, this point name is G. So one triangle, triangle ABG, and another triangle, triangle DEG, right? So they are similar triangles. So here I can write that AB, right, upon TE is equal to, now their distances. So AB upon DE, AB is bigger one, D is a smaller one. So BG, right, here BG upon that EG, right? So see, AB is the radius of sun, BG, BG is the distance between sun and earth, that we have also. EG is the distance between moon and earth, that is also we have from 2.3 and 2.4 examples. We only have to find DE. So by finding DE, DE is the radius of moon, right? So if you multiply DE by 2, you will get diameter of the moon, right? So you have to calculate all the terms, right, by your own selves from data from examples 2.3 and 2.4.